Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a DIY on how to make a lip balm at home with 5 super affordable products. You just need to have a Vaseline, coconut oil, not in use or broken blush or lipstick for that, vitamin E capsule and essential oil, which is of course not mandatory to use. So I have taken a Vaseline here, which you have at your home. Everybody, has this at their home. And I have already taken it in this bowl. Of course you cannot see because it's all white, so I've taken some Vaseline in this bowl. And for coconut oil I have this, this is something which I got from the south, and this is the pure coconut oil, but you can take any coconut oil which is available at your home, a parachute or something like that. Vitamin E capsule, of course you need to check the expiry date, so just need one of it. And then I have got these lipsticks, and I'll be using, it's not that these are broken or not in use, but then I have so many of them, so I can use one. So I'll use this orange shade, to make this lip balm. And of course you can use some essential oil to put in that, just to give it a nice fragrance, but then I will not use anything for that. I have seen so many YouTubers doing this kind of video wherein they make lip balm at home, and I just thought that maybe I'll also do it, and I'll just capture myself when I'm doing that. I have taken equal quantities of Vaseline and coconut oil in a bowl and will microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds it will come out to be like this, and of course then you need to mix in a small amount of lipstick that you took and mix it well so that it gives you a smooth, nice textured liquid at the end. And see what nice color it has got now, the orangish color which I wanted. And now I'll be putting one vitamin E capsule, and just one would be fine. After adding vitamin E capsule to it, I have taken this container, plastic container, and I have poured the liquid into it, and I would now refrigerate it for just 10-15 minutes or so. So this is how this has come up to be, and I think this is a very nice procedure to make a lip balm. But then here comes the real testing when I am going to apply it all over my lips, and that's why you can see that I have wiped off the red lip gloss that I have earlier put on. So I'm going to apply this, and this would be a real check for me also, because I'm just doing it for the first time. So I'll just quickly, wow, and this is nice and soft, but I don't think much color would be there. See, this is a nice orangish tone to it, and I'll just apply it on my lips to see whether it has tint or not. Just take some more. Yeah, there is, but a very little, as you can see. But yes, I mean, it's of great use. If you want more color, to come, more tint to be there, so what you need to do, you need to take more of Vaseline, than the coconut oil, and of course you'll get the desired color of your choice. So this is how it has come, and I hope you liked this video, and this was a reality check on how lip balms work. And I really find it useful. If you have anything to suggest, or if you have your own experience, please mention it in the comment. I would love to read that, and I would really try to comment on all of your comments. If you like this video, you know what to do. You need to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.